Where's the pain?
Low back, my head's spinning.
Your head spinning?
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning po guys. It's 10 o'clock na ng umaga. Maglalaba ako guys. Labhan natin tong bra na nabili natin kahapon. Nagalit si Tami. Hindi naman nagalit. Pinagsabihan ako bakit daw. Bakit raw isa lang yung binili ko. Kasi palagi kong sinasabi sa kanya wala akong bra at saka binili ko isa lang pala daw. Labadami labango. Naghanap ako ng laundry stain remover. Okay, naghanap ako ng kasi yung damit ni Tami, I don't know kung ano yung nasa damit ni Tami. Sabi pa niya, spray ko daw. So, nilabhan ko siya sa kamay. Well, nilabhan ko siya sa hindi nakuha. So, ngayon, tinignan ko andito pa. So, labhan natin ulit. Naman yun ito guys. Alam naman natin kung paano maglaba. Ito siya. May iwan ko to. Sabi pa niya, oil. Sabi ko, hindi ito oil, no? Para siyang grease. Pabayaan ko lang siya dyan. Sabi pa to, combine 5 type of stain fighter to help get okay? Sabi, grease and oil. So, wala naman itong laman. Nagbihis ako ng sweater at saka pajama. Kasi andito lang ako sa bahay. And I'm planning to go out sa front yard ko para maglagay ng Christmas lights. Don't touch the camera. Don't touch the camera. You guys move away. Okay. Everything is lit. Okay. This one works. I know, baby. I know. You guys movies. Chichi burichi. And this one, let's see. Christmas is coming to town. Okay, this work. Ayaw niya yung Roxy, kain na. Come here. Tignan niyo. Sungag pa more. Roxy, come kiss mama. Roxy, come kiss. Come. Kaluka. Don't close your mouth. Don't open. Close your mouth. No opening your mouth. The mouth should be closed. Okay, no open. No. Nagpa-Christmas music tayo, guys, sa YouTube. Ito lang yung gamitin ko, guys, sa labas para panghikot. Hindi ko na kayo dalhin sa labas kasi maginaw and hindi ko gusto yung camera ko andun sa labas kasi masisira siya. Kasi every time na andito labas, pasok tayo, andin yung temperature sa labas iba, temperature sa loob iba. So, hindi natin sisirain itong camera kasi wala na tayong blah. Guys, ito guys ba, ilagay namin ito sa kahoy. And, he wants something to eat. Here. Finish this. You want me to do hot dog? No, don't eat hot. What are you looking, Han? Tell me, you look.
I'm not peanut butter, I know it's here.
Is that what you're looking for?
Yeah.
Peanut butter. Huh? You get from the other, you bring it to the other house.
Yeah, okay.
Is it bad?
No, I got a creamy one.
Creamy one. Then look over here. I don't know, Han. I'm gonna put this on the thing, Han. The tray. So that means we're gonna keep running wires. Look at what he's doing, guys.
You ever taste it?
Marshmallow
I used to have
fluff.
this when I was a kid.
And
I didn't even know they still made it.
And is that good? Marshmallow, whatever is this, guys. This is what it is.
Yeah.
Marshmallow fluff. That's what he's going to eat.
You have it with peanut butter or is it a fluffernutter?
Hala. Fluffernutter?
Fluffernutter.
Fluffernutter. Peanut butter and fluffer.
This was big when I was a kid.
Really?
Yeah.
Look, Roxy wants some.
I actually want some. Try it.
That's refrigerated, right?
No.
Are you ready, Han? Hello, what is this? The sandwich made with marshmallow, fluff, and peanut. Luckily, we have a lot of, guys, wires. Wires and for outside wire, right? Yeah. No, I mean not lights. Cord. Because when we, we do like outdoor cord, ready for rain and snow.
Yeah, take a bite.
You said doesn't heat. Don't heat.
I said don't heat the container.
Okay, let me bite here.
Who took the helm of the ship while we had to step away? And you don't let your ambition
Oh, you what?
get the better of you. You don't have enough perspective to make a shift like this and see
It's just butter.
down the line where
Butter.
it go wrong. Not exactly
Peanut butter.
enough, but you still think you're
This one, it says it's also outdoors. Is this even safe? This is very cheap. Alis lang kami, guys. Hindi na ako may muta pa ba ako? Punta lang kami sa Home Depot. Yep, kailangan lang namin magpunta sa Home Depot. You really, how many times you have to give them treats and they don't eat dinner, Tommy? Naku, lagi ba? Hindi pa tapos. Hindi pa tapos. Mahirap talaga pag yung iwan ko na lang. Ayaw ko na sabihin. Ay, naku, buhay. Yung ginaw ba? Bigay talaga sakit ng ulo yung ginaw. Iwan ko na lang. Do you have your chopstick? I forgot to put mine. I don't even put lipstick. My lips is cracked, brown shit. Tommy said this is good. What's that? Okay.
Oh, it's Carmex.
Carmex. It's oily, guys. Oily. The tree is out na, guys. It's a nice tree, baby boy. Oh, this is nice. Looks real, hon. Looks real, oh. Right? Hala, what is that? It make noise. No, the other one is really looks real.
What?
This one really, look at this. It looks really real. Is this real?
Yeah.
Huh? Looks real, right? Nice. Oh, $500. Let's go. I still have to go to mark. That's plastic.
I know. I'm crazy about plastic, but
Air modifier, guys. Son. Yeah, that's good for bedroom. Even this is like, how much is that? $60?
$60.
This is 50. It's nicer.
Yeah, but this one I think is better.
That one is better.
Tells you what it is.
You can't smell nothing. It's just
If you put medicine, sometimes you put medicine in there.
your medicine. Tapos na kami. Hoy. Hoy. Hello guys, we are home. And we are cooking now. Me cooking now. Because on time to feed the kids soon. I forget about the kids. I have to prioritize the eating here. The food eating. The eating fooding. Okay, I'm going to make some ginisang repolyo and pork. Yun, pork. Masarap ito pag may yung string beans, cut mo siya parang slice and thin. Pero, ay, meron ako dyan. Meron ako yung ni Lloydie. Hindi yun niluto ni Lloydie lahat yung bumili kami sa store. So, yun siya. At ito yung isda na sabi ko kay Tami na, are you hungry, Bag? This kind of fish. So, I'm going to, I don't know how many it's inside. Look at the fish, hon.
Whiting.
Huh?
Whiting. Is that not big enough?
I don't know what is whitening. It's whitening.
Not whitening, whiting.
What is that kind of fish?
The fish, whiting.
It's a white fish?
Right.
So what? It's a fish. I don't care. As long as it's not snake fish.
So, in other words, we can get you sea robins. Do you eat that?
What is that?
It's a fish.
It's a snake.
It's not a snake. It's an ugly fish. Generally, people don't eat it. They use it for cat food. But you said it's as long as a fish.
Sabi ko, magbili sana ako ng swordfish kasi paborito niya ni Tami, guys, yung swordfish. And then, I look around. Alam nyo naman, yung isda ang mahal. Ang liit ng cut, guys, ng isda, guys. Alam nyo ba kung magkano? $8. Ang liit. As in, ang liit. Isang ganun lang, oh. Liit, $8. Sabi ko, bahala ka, Tami mo ikaw, eh. Hindi kita pakainin. Ang mahal naman ito. So, sabi ko, ito na lang. Tignan natin. Basta i-season mo lang siya ng maigi. I think okay na yan. Dalawang lang. Itong kind of fish. Oh, masarap man yan. So, I will season it really good. Ikot lang tayo, guys. Ano siya? Ito, repolyo. Para siyang repolyo na may pagka-Chinese repolyo. Yung parang Chinese cabbage. Ako, eh. Hi, baby. You cannot put that. It's a cabbage.
I don't like that.
It's cabbage, baby.
It's a huge on my life. Beef turkey?
Hmm?
You want beef turkey?
No, I'll give that with your food, Tommy, please. Hello, guys. Ito na yung isda, guys. Na frozen. So, lagyan natin ng lime. Garlic powder, oil. Nilagyan ko siya ng oil. Olive oil, guys. And then, konting toyo. Konting soy. Okay, lutuin natin siya sa, I think, 400 degree. Ang hirap magluto na ang daming lulutuin. And then, kayo lang, parang, nakakapagod. Itong, niya, ito yung klaseng karne na binili ko, may fat. Para, siya. Yun na lang yung oil ng gisa natin sa sa gulay. I-fry ko lang ito siya, guys. And then, I will be right back. Ipakita ko sa inyo. Yung. Iwan ko, itong karne na to, sabi pa, it's a selected infected. What? Inspected, satisfaction guaranteed. Han, kailangan lalabas yung oil niya, guys, sa fat. Yun yung maging oil niya. Ilagay natin si garlic. Kasi nag-oil na siya. Nag-produce na siya ng oil. So, ilagay natin si garlic. Ang bango. Daming onion. And then mamaya si tomato. Sarap niya. Yun, guys, ang ganda, guys. Ang sarap nito, look. Rice is the best with nothing.
Yeah, okay.
That's why you mix this with rice. Look. Guys, the cabbage and the pork, I like it. I don't know what my husband thinks about this.
Thinking about good.
You good? The broccoli is cold. That's fine, right?
Okay then. It should be
Eat the
it should
skin.
be flakier for a whitefish.
Eat the skin. That's where the seasoning is.
I know I had the skin. I was like, wanted to see if maybe the skin is making it more chewier than it's weird. It's more rubbery than it should be.
I overcook it. And I forgot, you know, I burnt. You see? I forgot it in the oven. Yes, I smell something burn. Hey guys, katatapos lang namin kumain. And yung asawa ko, hindi talaga siya okay. So ngayon, nandun na siya sa kama. Nakahiga na. Relax lang daw siya. Katatapos lang namin kumain. And ngayon, ilagay natin itong lupahan natin dito. Anyway guys, i-in ko na itong vlog kasi wala talaga. Hindi okay yung asawa ko. You want me to massage you? Huh? No, you want massage? Why? Why, baby? Where is the pain?
Go back, my head is spinning.
Your head spinning? Okay, I'm just gonna let you relax, okay? Let me know, just say something if you want me to massage you, okay? Yeah, they're both here. Why don't you go under the bed blanket? I love you. Yeah, I love you. Sorry. I just wanna do my video quick, okay? Okay guys, i-end ko na tong vlog. Sorry guys, wala masyadong ganap today. I'm sorry na itong ilaw talaga. Kaloka. Sobrang yellow dun, oh. Dito tayo. Pasensya na guys, ha. Ang dami din ditong light. Christmas lights, hindi. Pasensya na talaga guys. Anyway guys, i-end ko na tong vlog. Kasi mag-edit pa ako. And also, i-massage, I think i-massage ko yung asawa ko mamaya pagkatapos. Oh God. Anyway guys, good night. See you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good night guys. Thank you guys.
Goodbye, baby.